Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel and welcome to a brand new cleaning video sponsored by EnviroCleanse. I know I haven't been making many cleaning videos lately, but I am back today with my daily cleaning routine. These are things that I've been doing every single day lately to keep my house looking clean. I don't always get around to these every single day. I am human, I'm not perfect, but lately I've been trying to get these done every day. So the first thing I start off with is making R and D's bed. I just feel like making your bed makes your room look more put together and it helps you be more productive for the day.
I'll be there for you, baby. Remember, there's nothing out there to get you. Don't forget it. When life throws lemons, just call on me to get you. Don't forget to get you. To get you. Don't forget to get you.
After that, I will head into my office and I will just tidy up my vanity from when I got ready.
You're stronger now than you ever been.
And then something that is amazing for my laundry routine is doing a load of laundry every single day. This just helps me keep caught up and I don't get behind and laundry piled up on me. So every single day I'll just throw in a load of laundry first thing in the morning, and I've been using a Game Pod as well as a Snuggle Scent Booster and the EnviroCleanse Laundry Enhancer. I love this stuff, guys. It's an all-natural laundry product that removes any odors from your laundry. I love using this on my towels and my blankets and my sheets. It works amazing. And lately I've been throwing it in even with our clothes too. You just use 1/4 cup for a small load and 1/2 cup for a large load. I will have this link down below for you guys if you want to check it out. And make sure to look in the description box for a coupon code. They were kind enough to give me coupon code ROSE15 for you guys to get 15% off. After that, I will go into the kitchen and I'll start tidying up from breakfast. If I was smart enough to start the dishwasher the night before, I will unload and reload the breakfast dishes. This night I forgot. So this morning I'm just going to load up the dishes from breakfast and start the dishwasher.
I'll be there. Call me, baby. Just pray that I'll be there. And so remember, I will be there for you, baby. Remember, there's nothing else.
After that, this is something I do multiple times a day. I will take my Mrs. Meyer's Mint dish soap and my Grove Collaborative scrub brush and I will just scrub my sink clean. After that, I will just start in on wiping down my counters. This again is something I do multiple times a day. I usually do this after any time we eat just to get the counters clean. And then every single day I try to wipe down my appliances. I don't always do this in the morning. Sometimes I do it at night before bed, but one way or another, I always try to get it done.
Just let me know and I will. Just call on me.
I've been trying my best for a while, trying to please everyone who's around me. I've been putting on a fake smile, even though I'm wasting time. I don't want to be trapped in a box, trying to be like the rest when I'm not. I just wanna go my own way, gonna let the past burn down. Cause honestly, don't wanna be stuck in boring conversations with you. With you, I'm gonna leave it all behind, find myself, I'm gonna start over new. Yeah, I'm on my way now. 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 I'll be going away for a while. Oh, and I don't know what I'll find. Maybe I can be a rock star, playing songs on my guitar. I know I have to be somewhere.
After that, I wipe down my kitchen table every day and I just use the Method Daily Wood for Good cleaner. I love this stuff. It smells so good. You guys know I talk about it all the time.
Leave it all behind, find myself, I'm gonna start over new. my way now.
And then something that seems like I do every single day, including today, is take out the trash and wipe down the trash can just to make sure it's really clean. After that, I usually sweep every day, but for Mother's Day, Zach bought me the Dyson V7 and I am absolutely loving it. I'm using it as much as possible. So lately I've been using this to clean my kitchen floors and it works amazing and I don't have to sweep, which is also amazing. And then something that used to be in my weekly cleaning routine that I've moved to my daily cleaning routine is just vacuuming my couches, because with this Dyson, it's just so easy to do and the dogs are always on the couch, so I don't mind doing it every day. After that, I would typically tidy up the living room, but this was first thing in the morning, so no toys were out quite yet. And then I will vacuum the living room. Sometimes I do this twice a day, but I definitely always do it at least once a day. And since this Dyson is so easy to vacuum with, lately I've just been going ahead and vacuuming the hallway and the bedrooms every single day. I don't know how long it'll last, but I've been doing it every day since I got it.
Tell me what you wanna do. Yeah, 'cause I'd do anything. I just wanna be with you. How can you make me feel this way? Don't let me down, down, down.
Once I'm done with that, I will usually just tidy up Dee's room for her and vacuum, and then I'm done for my daily cleaning routine. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure and give it a big thumbs up, as well as hit subscribe down below. I would absolutely love to have you here. Make sure and check out the EnviroKlenz Laundry Enhancer down below and let me know what you guys think, and I will see you back here next time. Bye!